In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make smile face editing on Capcut. We'll take a regular photo and gently turn the expression into a natural-looking smile using Capcut's built-in AI tools. I'll guide you through where to click, what to look for, and a few simple tips so your result looks clean and realistic. Start by opening Capcut. You can use the desktop version or the mobile app. The interface labels are very similar. Give the editor a moment to load so all the tools are available. If your workspace looks different from mine, don't worry. The feature names are the same even if the layout varies slightly. Next, add your image to the timeline or canvas. Choose a clear, front-facing photo where the face is well lit and the features are visible. If needed, zoom or crop so the face sits comfortably in frame. This helps Capcut identify facial landmarks more accurately. Images with minimal motion blur and even lighting typically produce the most natural results. If you're editing someone else's photo, make sure you have permission to do so. Now, click on AI Stylize. This is the section where Capcut applies smart, face-aware transformations. It analyzes the facial structure and expression to build an editable version of the face. If you don't see AI Stylize right away, look along your toolbar or effect panel. It's often grouped with other AI or style tools. A brief loading period here is normal, especially with larger images. Inside AI Stylize, open the Style options and look for a category related to expressions. This is where Capcut organizes facial tweaks like smiles, frowns, or other moods. Hover over or tap the thumbnails to preview how the expression might appear on your photo. The goal is to keep it subtle and believable, so focus on options that complement the original pose and lighting rather than drastically changing the face. Finally, select Smile Face. Capcut will process the image and apply a gentle upward curve to the mouth, adjust the cheeks, and sometimes refine the eyes so the smile feels authentic. Let it render fully, and then take a close look at the details. If your interface allows intensity or strength adjustments, a lighter touch often looks more natural. Pay attention to the teeth and lip line. If the result seems too strong, dial it back until it blends seamlessly with the original image. Small tweaks go a long way. That's all you need to transform a neutral expression into a friendly, realistic smile in Capcut. With a clear photo and the AI Stylize Smile Face option, you can create a polished result in just a few clicks.